Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 5.3, question number 9 to 13. Look at the question. Question number 9. Sin inverse 2x over 1 plus x squared. Instead of x, you have to substitute something. Then 2x over 1 plus x squared has to come something sin. Then only sin inverse sin will be cancelled. So what to substitute? We have to know what sin formulas. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta also we know, but that will not be any useful here. Here you see 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of x you put tan theta. Instead of x you put tan theta. So what will come? Sin inverse 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. This is nothing but sin 2 theta. Because we know sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin will be cancelled 2 theta. What is theta? Here x is equal to tan theta. So tan theta equal to x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay. So it is 2 tan y equal to 2 tan inverse x. It is nothing but, now dy by dx is 1 by 1 plus x squared for tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x means 2 by 1 plus x squared. Okay? Got it? Okay, now question number 10. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x squared. You have to make it as tan something. Then only tan inverse tan will be cancelled. So what to substitute for x? Tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. It is not like here. It is, so tan 3 theta formula, you check it out. When sin inverse comes, look at the sin formulas here. Here tan inverse comes. Tan formula, tan 3 theta is what? Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So here let x is equal to tan theta. So what will happen? Tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It is tan inverse tan 3 theta. It is 3 theta. It is 3 tan inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 3 by 1 plus x squared. Okay. Watch down. Copy down. Cos inverse. You have to convert to cos something. So 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared is What is cos 2 theta formula? 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x. Sorry, 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So let the x is equal to tan theta. So what will happen? Cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta equal to 2 theta equal to 2 tan inverse x. Some of them are committing mistakes. 2 cos inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. Now find dy by dx. Until now we are changing y only. Dy by dx is 2 by 1 plus x squared. Question number 12. Sine inverse. If you put x is equal to tan theta, what will happen? 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Let the x is equal to tan theta. We need sine theta, but it is in the format of cos 2 theta only. Follow this one. Just this one. I just reduce the step. 1 minus x squared means cos 2 theta. But sine inverse cos 2 theta cannot be cancelled. So we know one formula. Sine inverse cos theta equal to sine pi by 2 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. Sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. You know this formula. The very famous formula. Sine theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. You know that. Sine inverse pi by 2 minus 2 theta minus pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate. Until now you copy down. If you differentiate, dy by dx is pi by 2. It will be, if you differentiate, constant if you differentiate 0, minus 2. Tan inverse x differentiate 1 plus x squared. 1 over 1 plus x squared. Copy down. Okay. Question number 30. Y equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta. Same case. This will be like sin theta. Look at the question number 9. X is equal to tan theta means 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So cos inverse, let the x is equal to tan theta. What will happen? 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Always write x is equal to tan theta. As I am doing the same kind of sum, so I am not doing this one. X is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. This write in all the steps. Okay. So cos inverse. This is not cos 2 theta. It is sin 2 theta. Cos inverse sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos 2 theta is sin 90 minus 2 theta. So if you do it, pi by 2 minus 2 theta, it is nothing but pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. So if you differentiate dy by dx is equal to pi by 2, if you differentiate 0, minus 2 tan inverse x if you differentiate minus 2 by 1 plus x squared. Let us see question. Question 14 also we will do it now. Question 14 is y equal to sine inverse 2x over 2x 1 minus x squared. This is sine 2 theta formulas. Let x is equal to sine theta. Here x is equal to sine theta. Don't put x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to sine theta. Then 1 minus x squared is 1 minus sine square theta. It is nothing but cos square theta. It is nothing but square root of cos square theta. It is nothing but cos theta. So 2x root of 1 minus x squared is nothing but 2 sine theta. X is equal to sine theta. Root of 1 minus x squared equal to cos theta. So it is nothing but sine 2 theta. So y equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. It is nothing but 2 theta. Don't write tan inverse x because here x is equal to sine theta, 2 sine inverse x. If x is equal to sine theta equal to x, sine theta is equal to x, so theta equal to sine inverse x. What is sine inverse x formula? Square 1 over square root of 1 minus x square dy by dx. Copy down. Question number 15. Y equal to secant inverse 1 over 2x squared minus 1. Okay. Here secant inverse means secant theta has to come. But 1 over 2x squared minus 1 means 1 over cos theta is secant theta. So 2x squared minus 1 is cos theta has to come. Then what is the formula? 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. So y equal to secant inverse. Let x is equal to cos theta here. Let x is equal to cos theta. Secant inverse 1 over 2 cos square theta minus 1. Secant inverse 1 over cos 2 theta. Secant inverse secant 2 theta equal to 2 theta. What is dy by dx? 2 theta is cos inverse x. Cos inverse x if you differentiate 1 over minus 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, here in this session you need to memorize all the formulas. First of all, sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. This all the formulas. Sine 2 theta, 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta over 1 minus. Sometimes we will put minus, sometimes we will put plus here. You will get confused. Just one thing remember. What is sin theta? Opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite over adjacent. Hypotenuse is 1 plus tan square theta. See here. Opposite is 2 tan theta. Adjacent is 1 minus tan square theta. Just memory like this. 2 tan theta okay. These three memorize. Hypotenuse is always greater, so it is 1 plus. Sometimes 1 plus or 1 minus, if you get confused, hypotenuse is greater, 1 plus tan square theta. Adjacent 1 minus tan square theta. And another trigonometric formula, sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. These three memorize. These four. Then need to memorize sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta. We have already seen what is tan 3 theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. By 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Got it? These are the formulas. If you memorize, then you know what to substitute in this kind of questions. Suppose 3x minus x cube, 1 minus 3x squared, let x is equal to tan theta. 4x cube minus 3x, x is equal to cos theta. 3x minus 4x cube, x is equal to sin theta. 1 minus 2x squared, x is equal to sin theta. 2x squared minus 1, x is equal to cos theta. This may not come because cos squared theta minus sin squared theta, we cannot x squared minus y squared, it is not there. Okay, then 2x, this sum we have seen, 2x 1 minus x squared. Okay, here also it can come x squared minus 1 minus, that will come this one. Okay, so 2 sin theta cos theta is 2x times 1 minus x squared. We have to substitute these formulas. Thank you for watching videos.